Welcome back to Nordic Arms and History. Today I'm going to be showing you how to disassemble the unique Norwegian Krag-Jørgensen magazine system. For all Norwegian Krags, the process is the same, so I'll be using my Steyr Krag in this example. Let's begin. Here we have the magazine up close. Let's begin. To start off, we want to remove this pivot pin which locks everything together. To do so, you want to pivot this up, put pressure on the magazine as some of them are very, very stiff. Push in, and then slide it out like so. Then you'll have this piece right here. I'll put this here for now. Then you can start opening the magazine gate, and it should just slide out like so. Might need some wiggling. Then you have the magazine follower that will open like so, and then it'll just slide downwards. Then the only last piece would be the main magazine spring. Make sure to keep a lookout for this rounded off piece. And there you have it. Now let's put it back together. To start off, you take the magazine follower, align it up like so. It'll slide all the way up like so. You can put it down for now. Then you put the magazine spring in here like so. It should lock in right there. As you can see, it'll follow the follower. Then comes the trickiest part, which is the magazine gate. You want to open it like so with the follower. You want to align the magazine gate like so, and then start closing it like so. There you have it. Then the last thing is to just put the pin back in. Push down on the rifle like so, and there you have it. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions regarding the magazine system or have any other questions, consider leaving them down below. If you feel like this video helped you, consider liking it. It does help the algorithm recommend it to other people. Also, if you want to learn more about Nordic Arms and History, consider subscribing. Until the next one, take care. Bye-bye.